In this video, I'm going to show you how to install plugins and extensions on VLC Media Player. Now, this is quite simple and I'm going to show you how to get this done. First things first, I want you to head over to this particular website right here. Make sure you type it right, and then from here, you can just basically try and look for something that you want to download. So the thing or the two that I'm going to be using most of the time is this subtitle jump right here. So I'm going to go ahead and open this one, and then I'm going to hit the download button right here. This is actually very light, so it's going to download pretty fast. All right, so I've downloaded it, and the next thing that I'm going to head over is this one. So you want to go to the extensions tab of your extensions folder of your VLC. So this is mine right here. I'm gonna head over here and then paste it in the file explorer, and there you go. And then I'm gonna go ahead and copy this, paste it here, and hit continue. Now that I've done that one, I'm gonna open VLC, and this is very important. So now that I have opened VLC, we're gonna head over to view, and you should be able to see here jump subtitle. Yep, that is simply how to get that done. You can head over back here and you can go ahead and look for other extensions or add-ons that you wish to download. Definitely try to read them and see which you think is going to be useful for your use case. And that, everybody, is how you're going to get this done. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helps you out.
If you found this video helpful or informative, please consider hitting the like button and subscribing to the channel. Also, feel free to share in the comments how this video has helped you.